Good day, Sir Silit Bahaya. My name is Althea Bernaldez Abasay. I'm 18 years old and I'm proudly came from Cantigip, Albuquerque, Board. I recently graduated from Sikatuna National High School where I completed my senior high school education under the Technical Vocational Livelihood strand, specializing in food and pastry production. During my senior high school years, I discovered a strong interest in culinary arts, especially in baking and food preparation. Through hands-on and classroom learning, I developed practical skills that not only increased my confidence in the kitchen but also taught me the value of patience, creativity, and attention to detail. My strand allowed me to gain national certifications and experience in preparing and presenting quality food. I am proud to share that I have completed my national certificate too in food and pastry production at Curtis Ball, which has further strengthened my technical skills and readiness for real-world culinary arts. I belong to a small yet supportive family of four. My father is an automotive technician who works hard every day to provide for our needs. My mother is a billing officer who has also take care of our home with dedication and love. I have one older brother who is currently a third year college student at the Philippine Normal University in Manila, pursuing his own dreams. We are a Christian family and our faith plays an important role in shaping our values, decision, and the way we live our daily lives. Myself, as caring, responsible, and motivated, I believe in the importance of being kind, respectful, and hardworking, values that I try to live both in my personal life and in the way I treat others. I make an effort to always do what is right, not just to myself, but also for the people around me. I value empathy and understanding, and I try to see situations from others' people perspective so I can better support and connect with them. One of my biggest goals in life is to never stop learning. I see personal growth as a continuous journey, and I am always open to new opportunities that will allow me to gain knowledge, improve my skills, and become a better version of myself. Thank you.